Good evening, all. Today we are going to discuss Model 3, Part B Entrepreneur and Entrepreneurship. In this, we will be talking about types of an entrepreneurs, entrepreneurial development model. Entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. A person who visualizes, seeing the future in new concept, or see the dream as a goal and actualize, perform the visualized dream into reality. An entrepreneur is essentially a visualizer and an actualizer. As per Robert, he can visualize something, then he sees exactly how to make it happen. Entrepreneur is the one who creates an enterprise. Entrepreneurs generate number of employment and opportunity. Who works for himself, but who looks upon and work for the mankind. Social development, vision. At last, entrepreneurship is the visualization of innovation into reality by actualization. Entrepreneurship is the process of creation of an enterprise by an entrepreneur is known as entrepreneurship. Or entrepreneurship can be defined as the process of actions of an entrepreneur who undertake to start the enterprise. Concept of entrepreneurship. The word entrepreneur is the French word as entreprendre, means to undertake, who undertake the risk of new enterprise. In 16th century, Frenchmen who organized and led military expeditions were referred as entrepreneurs. In 17th century, the architect and contractors of the public were called entrepreneurs. In practice, the entrepreneurs have historically altered the direction of national economics, industries, and market. They have done new research, invented new concepts, invented new products, developed new organizations, enterprise, and also developed new product based upon the new research and created market for these products. A new blood like you, young engineers in India, should have dreamed to be a next economic players in new areas, field and business. Even you can start any business like Sabir Bhatia of India from Meerut, Siliguri. Characteristics of the entrepreneurs, qualities of the entrepreneurs, what are required by the entrepreneur to start the enterprise. The first one is creativity, innovations, dynamism, leadership, team building, achievements and motivations, problem solving, goal orientations, risk taking and decision making ability, commitment. An entrepreneur is highly goal oriented, which is having the above what I have listed just now. I have told the characteristics. Creativity, ability to bring something new into existence. Emphasis, the ability, not the activity of bringing something new into existence. A person who conceives the something new and envision how can be useful for the socio and mankind. Characteristics of the entrepreneurs. Next one is innovations. It's the process of doing new things, but creativity is a prerequisite to innovations. Innovation is the specific instrument of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur acts or endow resources with a new capacity to create wealth. Innovations indeed create resources. It may be his individual motivation to create money, power, curiosity, desire for fame or recognition, try to create value and to make contributions to create new and convert different products using the old data into new. These all are innovations. The manager as an entrepreneur should be futuristic and innovative. Dynamism, entrepreneur should be dynamism to be in race of the world. He revised the target of the enterprise upward time and again. He should be charismatic to handle the situations and product image for stimulating growth. A dynamic entrepreneur always pragmatic. Leadership. This next quality, characteristics of the entrepreneurs. Inner spirit keep him pace forward in any field. Always leader comes out first. This is the basic quality of entrepreneur. Leadership quality will enable a person to stand apart in whatever profession he might be in. Team building. No one in the world can achieve the target alone. It is his good team to work together for a common purpose, unidirectional focus, and aligned to achieve a specific task and objective. Entrepreneurs should have team building skill. Next, achievement and motivations. Entrepreneurs are basically having high spirit for self-guiding by inner self-motivated behavior towards accomplishment of goal and objective. There are three types of entrepreneurs. These are 3D. First D is dreamers. They indulge in nice dream. Doubters, they have always negative attitude. Doers, accept any challenge and take calculated risk to something worthwhile. So you have to be doers, not a dreamer and doubters. Problem solving, it is very important that entrepreneurs should be able to solve problems and not avoid them. There is a formal problem solving model help entrepreneurs to solve the problem on a logical manner. We have to define the problem first, gather the information, identify various solutions, evaluate alternative and choose the best, take action, and finally evaluate the action taken. Next characteristic of entrepreneur is goal orientation. Goal setting is the achievement of target and objective for successful performance of entrepreneur. Risk taking and decision making ability. They take the decision under uncertainty, so ready to bear risk. Commitment. Powerful, strong determination. These are all characteristics of the entrepreneurs. Classification or types of entrepreneurs. The following are based upon functional characteristics. What we have seen, some functions and characteristics based upon will be having types of entrepreneur. One is innovations, new goods, new method, new product, new discovery, new market or new organization of their enterprise. Of course, innovation, entrepreneur. Initiative or adaptive. They should be initiative and adaptive to do anything in business. Fabian. There are two types of people. There are Fabian, great cautions and skepticism in experimenting with any change in their enterprise. They change only when there is imminent threat to their existence. The people, they change only when they feel their existing or their future is not. If they are like, I tell you example. Some of the students I have seen so far when I am teaching, they are very casual, or you can say Fabian. They are not concentrating the class, they are not doing study very well, and finally it is happening that they are having back papers. But when they feel they are having only 4 back papers, and if they could not do, if become 5, then they will be 1 year they will be going to back, so that they start working hard, and I have seen they clear all the papers and gone to next year promoted to next year. So that is the Fabian character mostly. Drawn, die-hard, conservative, and even are prepared to suffer the loss in business. Okay. These are the types of entrepreneur based upon functional characteristics. Based upon development angle, prime movers, always see in motion in powerful sequence of the development, expansion, diversification of business, manager just stage and work as per the management wishes. Minor, maybe a small business, provision store, etc. Okay, something small, starting new product, a small product. Satellite, the types of person firstly assume a supplier roles. He understood in and out everything of the business and then finally slowly move towards production and start his new business. Based upon business, manufacturing, wholesale, retailer, service. Based upon personality of entrepreneurs, improver, always they think your company and you are functioning to improve the world. Through your company, they want to improve the society and the world. They are known as improver. They have motto means morally correct the business and they will reward it for working on a noble cause. They run their business with high integrity and advisor to advise the customer. Superstars. Artist. Their entrepreneurs see the future to achieve his or her objectives as a dream to help and growth of the mankind, social, globally. Analyst who knows and have knowledge of area in and out everything business domain very well, every in and out of the enterprise, problem like weakness and strength of the business. He also knows the neck of the customer and give every solution for the technical and non-technical also, like Intel founder Gordon Murray. Firewall. A business owned by enterprise is a firewall remain full of life, energy and optimism and provide the troubleshooters problem solving, provide the security umbrella to the company as a whole, like father of the one family. Hero is an incredible will and ability to lead the world in spite of facing many challenges and problems in the path of success. Healer, yes. Always entrepreneur as a healer provide nurturing and harmony to your business. They have hidden ability to survive and work for better way of fulfilling and providing the solution of the people and motivate them. Entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. It is a emerging class in the organizations, maybe like manager or general managers. Entrepreneurship is the entrepreneurship within existing business structure. Entrepreneurship is the entrepreneurship within existing business structure. A person like manager is working as per the wish of top management and have to follow the policy, strategy laid down by them. If he has all the characteristics of the entrepreneur, like creativity, innovations, etc., having all his skill, as entrepreneur want to attempt and establish the new entrepreneurial concept by using the existing infrastructure and resources of the company, little diversification of the existing business, the manager has been referred as an intrapreneur. So entrepreneurship is one such method to providing freedom, stimulating and capitalizing an individual in an organization who think that things can be done better and handled in different and better way. The resistance against flexibility, growth, diversification can be overcome by development, spirit of entrepreneurship within the organization that is known as entrepreneurship. Comparison between entrepreneurship, manager and entrepreneurship. You can look at always goal orientation and management. First point, entrepreneurship, entrepreneur always independent, creative, innovative, new ideas for goal orientation for society. Entrepreneur independent, innovate with a limit of company and goal orientation for company growth and utilizing company resources for diversification for the to get the objective. Manager, not independent, only delegate as per the wish of the top management plan and strategy. Status, not entrepreneur, not concerned about the status. Entrepreneur, not concerned about traditional status. Manager, concerned about status and symbol. Risk, bear all risk and uncertainty. And entrepreneur, whereas entrepreneur undertake the calculated risk in the norm of company, and manager does not bear any risk. Reward, entrepreneur bear all risks and uncertainty. Entrepreneur undertake the calculated risk in the norm of the company, does not bear any risk. Reward, he gets profit and share of the company, whereas entrepreneur fixed reward for his work and salary, whereas manager only salary. And decision making, they are very much entrepreneur, they are very much involved in decision making. They take a calculated risk, high risk also, whereas entrepreneur, he cannot take very high risk but moderate risk. Manager never take the risk, but he manage the ideas of the top management, no risk bearer, no risk bearer. Myth of entrepreneurship. Myth is nothing but a belief, trust, something you believe blindly. That is known as myth. The entrepreneur also believes something like, people believe about entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are born, not made. People think like. Entrepreneurs are academic and social misfit. Sometimes they are academic and social misfit, they become entrepreneurs. Case study, there are many cases study. Okay, there are people who are thrown out of the school and college, they become very big actors, like Dharmendra. All you need is money to be lucky. Yes, some people feel like anybody can be entrepreneur if they have money. A great idea is the only ingredient in the recipe for business. My best friend will be my business partner in my enterprise. Having no boss is a great fun. If you have your own business, you are entrepreneur, you will be your own boss, and that is a fun. That is a life. I can make lots of money. That also believe of the people, so they want to become entrepreneur. I definitely become success. People have blindly feel like whether they have skill or not, but they have myth of that. Life will be much simple if I work for myself. Of course, every money will be, and I will not be bound for time and scheduling to do the duty. Entrepreneurship fits on ideal people, not for everybody. That's all. Thank you very much. That end of this session.